everyone, welcome back to Paul's Cube. Today I'm going to show you how to use a pit boss, the classic model, or 700 FB is what it's equivalent to. It's the one that's sold at Walmart. I picked it up a week ago, which everyone's already seen an unboxing video and everything else. Today I'm going to show you how to operate it, change the hopper if that's what you choose to do, and how simple it is to actually use one of these machines. Very laid back, easy to use. I'm sorry for the noise, my neighbor's cutting the grass. Let's get into it and see what we're doing. So here everyone, we have the pit boss, which is sold at Walmart, this one. It's the classic model, which is the same as the 700 FB. I'm gonna get to showing you guys around it. There's the hopper. There's the back side. Now I will demonstrate how easy it is to actually use this pellet smoker. Take you step by step, show you what I do to it. Let's get into that. So first I'm going to demonstrate how to change the pellets out if that's what you wish to do. I have a bucket, which I will be catching the pellets in. So first off, you just pull this plug out. Then you unscrew the little trap door, put your bucket underneath, pull it out, and away the pellets go. Now the pellets don't seem to all come out in one shot, so I use a stick to get them out. Background noise, the neighbor's cutting the grass. So there we go, we've got our pellets in. Then you'll just put the plug back in. Choose to. Plug it a little bit tight. There we go. Then you slide back in the trap door. I'm sure you can get a vacuum and vacuum out whatever little bit is left that doesn't want to come out, which isn't very much as you can see, which I'm not worried about it right now because I am going to be using these pellets for a cook, so I will be putting them back in. I was just merely showing you how it is to change it out. So now that I've showed you that, let me get this all set up again, and I'll show you how we fire it up. I got it in the position where I usually have it and use it. So now what you want to do is you want to take your pellets, which I still have in this bucket, and pour them in. I have a bag. Competition blend is what I'm using. And just pull it out. Now remember, use the pellets you like to use. Pretty much full. Use the flavor that you would like to use. You don't have to use what I'm using. Use what you like. Let me get the camera set up in a different angle, and I'll show you how we're gonna affix the power to it and get it running. Okay, so now that we have our pellets in it, now what you want to do is get a nice extension cord. If you don't have a power source, of course, I'll buy a plug machine in by itself. Plug that in. I have a heavy duty outdoor extension cord, which I'm using on it. And you just plug the machine in, like so. That's it. Super simple. Then you come over in here, the dial telling you that. Set it to smoke. the power button, and on it goes. Now it is on. Now you just wait for the pellets to start heating up, smoking away. We'll pick back up when that happens. Should be in a couple minutes. For me, for you guys, a couple seconds. So now you can see smoke. It's been about 2 minutes. It's smoking nicely. I'm just gonna let it run for another minute or two. Then I'm gonna shut down the lid, let the temperature come up inside the pit a bit. I am gonna be doing a cook today. I might make a video of that for later. Not sure. This one here, I just wanted to be more of an instructional video on how easy these machines are actually to operate. I'll pick back up in a minute when it's warmed up and I'm ready to scrape the grill off. So there you have it. We're up to about 200 degrees now inside the pit. I'm just going to clean the grate and get it ready for cooking. As you can see, you can't see. There we go. She's ready. See you guys later. Well, there you have it. There's a tour of it, and there's how you change out the pellets, how you fire it up, get everything going. Hope you enjoyed and seen how simple it is. If anyone's ever interested in getting one of these, I recommend it. I haven't cooked much on it yet. I'm still working on that. I will be putting out a few more videos on it coming soon, and everyone can make their own decision. But so far, so good. Hope you enjoyed. Hit the subscribe button if you like what you've seen. You want to see more. Bye.